Hi, welcome back. Here in this practical exercise, we are going to write a program to demonstrate usage of mathematical functions using math class. Here we would calculate the distance between two given points on the coordinates x and y. So let's start. We will take values of two variables and compute the distance between them. We need to first write the import java.lang.math to access the math library and all the methods and values of functions in that. Then we need to define the class, the public class and the class name for that. Here we are going to take 2 points. Each point would have two values, x and y. For that we have four different variables, x1, x2, y1 and y2. x1 and y1 correspond to the values of uh, point A on x and y planes, and we have x2 and y2 as x and y coordinates, value of x and y coordinate. So just write the values. Here we have all the variables in the integer format. You can take double, float, long as you wish. Then we have the distance between them. We will be calculating that thing, and for that we have a variable called distance of return type double. We can assign values to different variables anytime we want. We could also assign variables at the point of declaration, or you can also perform later on. Here we have assigned a value 2 to x1, 4 to x2, 2 for y1, and 4 for y2. Then we need to call the mathematical method or method for the class maths. We are using the method square root sqrt to find the square root of a value given in the brackets. We have x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x1. That means x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, whole in the under root, and store that value in the distance. That way we can have the distance. It is a distance formula that we have read in the elementary level at our school, class 10th or any level that we read. The distance formula. Similarly, we could perform a wide set of mathematical operations. Here we can display the value of this distance that we have taken on the screen using system out println, the distance between 2 points and the distance variable. It will display the distance between those 2 points. Here we have written this distance variable. Hit the execute button to provide the output. Here we have the value 2.8284. This is the distance between these 2 points. We have written a double, so it will be displaying the value in double. If we reduce it to float, the output is showing certain error. It is lossy conversion. We have loss of a value. We need to make both the variables as double here. Similarly, we could perform a wide set of mathematical operations like finding cosines, sines, trigonometric operations, logarithmic functions, integration, differentiation, and wide set of operations, entire calculus, and advanced mathematics as well. If you are using for scientific calculations or building calculator, simple calculator, or performing accounting software, the calculation of simple interest, compound interest, or entire GDP of a country, you could write the program for each of them.